Welcome to your guide on what to expect during a cervical cancer screening visit, also known as a pap smear, presented by Asian Health Coalition. If you're scheduled for this important test or are thinking about booking an appointment, here's what you need to know to feel prepared and informed. I'm Nurse Lenny and I'll be guiding you through this visit. A cervical cancer screening, or pap smear, is a simple and essential screening tool that looks for precancerous cells. These are changes in the cells of the cervix that, if not managed, could eventually develop into cervical cancer. When you arrive for your screening appointment, you'll be checked in and guided to an examination room. Remember, you have the right to request a female healthcare provider if that makes you more comfortable. You can also ask for a language interpreter at no cost to ensure you fully understand each step of your visit. The screening itself is brief and usually takes less than 5 minutes. You'll be asked to lie back on an examination table and place your feet in stirrups to hold them out of the way. The healthcare provider will gently insert a speculum into your vagina to hold it open. This helps them see the cervix more clearly. Next, a soft brush or spatula is used to collect a small sample of cells from the surface of your cervix. While this might feel a bit uncomfortable, it shouldn't be painful. You can expect to receive results within a few days or weeks depending on your healthcare provider's process. Routine pap tests are recommended for people with cervices starting at age 21 and are usually repeated every 5 years depending